Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable home screen DIV feature on your S23 FE device after update 1.7. So, let's begin. Okay, guys, you can see DIV home feature missing on my home screen. So now I will show you how to add this feature on your any S23 FE device after update 1.7. So simply go to Galaxy Store. First turn on internet. After open Galaxy Store, simply install Good Lock. After install Good Lock, tap and open. After install Good Lock, simply go to plugins, scroll, go to home of plugin, and simply turn on, make sure your home hub plugin turn on and also turn on home screen. And now go to home screen. You can see DIV home screen feature is turn off. Then simply turn on, go to minimize, and you can see DIV home feature enable on your S23 FE device. Now you can customize your home screen to the next level. If you want to restore your desktop, then simply go to home screen, simply turn off DIV home screen feature, and you can see your desktop is restored. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.